lesson in the living I've done. The best things only come along in numbers of one. There's only one Eiffel Tower, one finest tower, one New York town, one Fifth Avenue. There's only one Mona Lisa, one leaning tower of Pisa, one Paris, and there's only one you. Took some time, but no one is timeless. But I found you and learned what that means. I'll never leave you, girl, 'cause I know the catch. The wonders of this world don't ever come with a match. There's only one Eiffel Tower, one finest tower, one New York town, one Fifth Avenue. There's only one Mona Lisa, one leaning tower of Pisa, one Paris, and there's only one you. There's only one Eiffel Tower, one finest tower, one New York town, one Fifth Avenue. There's only one Mona Lisa, one leaning tower of Pisa, one Paris, and there's only one you. There's only one Eiffel Tower, one finest tower, one New York town, one Fifth Avenue. There's only one Mona Lisa, one leaning tower of Pisa, one Paris, and there's only one you. I've known some painted ladies that sparkled in the light, country girls that love the lover's mood. Some I never really knew, though I always wanted to. Some I only met once in a room. Some said they liked the smile, others of them stayed a while, while others left me on the run. This is the only way I have to say, I love them everyone. Big, little, or short or tall, wish I could have kept them all. I love them everyone. Like to thank them for the charms, holding me in their arms, and I hope they had some fun. Here's to the ladies in saloons and living rooms, summer nights that lasted until dawn. Here's to the memories, everyone's a part of me. Oh, I love them everyone. Big, little, or short or tall, wish I could have kept